I'm gonna show you my project for the weekend. I'm working on my trailer, my enclosed trailer cargo conversion, and this is gonna be the Murphy bed that's going inside there. I wanted to stain it. I did top and bottom, and then there's some other pieces that's gonna go with it. But I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna show you something that I used. And again, I told you guys a long time ago I wouldn't try to put you on no crap, but I'm just gonna show you what I used. I used this cordless sprayer from TikTok here. You know, I told you I wouldn't put you on no crap. But a lot of times, myself, I see things and I think to myself, man, I'd like to have that. I'd like to try that for the price. It looks great, but it may be junk. Well, here, I've took the chance for you. Right here. I'm telling you, I've been staining some stuff inside the trailer, and what I've done with the brush in there is just time consuming and kind of slow go. But now I'm going to tell you, what I've done outside with this, I have absolutely no complaints. You know, the biggest complaint I'll say with this is on occasion it'll spit out a big drip. You know, a lot of times that happens with sprayers, but to me, where this thing would shine is on doing a fence, doing things outside, you know, painting the outside of a house. I mean, it's a no-brainer for the price. I mean, it comes with 2 batteries. I mean, even these batteries are rubber-coated around the corners, just like the commercial ones and well-known brand names that I use in my shop every day. You know, I can't speak for the longevity of them, but now I'm telling you, it's good quality, strong like plastic. I mean, it has a thing on the side of it, tells you how much battery's left, like all the others. And I painted everything. I run a half a gallon through this, and it don't even show to have used any battery power. So, again, this thing, I'm very well pleased with it. It made easy work of what I done. But here, I'm going to show you a little more about it and me using it right here on TikTok shop. Get you one. I'm going to show you all what comes in this thing. Obviously, you got your gun. I mean, overall, build, quality, I mean, it actually looks pretty good. The batteries, they were pre-charged. I mean, these have a rubber coating around the bottom. I mean, it's good, solid plastic. It's not like cheap. Comes with 2 batteries. What comes in the box here with it, you've got your filters. If you want to do some painting, you got to have filters. It comes with a set of gloves. I probably won't use those. Comes with these. I'm not sure what exactly these are for. Probably some kind of cleaning. But it comes with some new tips. These go underneath here. There's one underneath there already. You get 2 more. It actually comes with a whole roll of plastic with tape on it to mask it and tape off your projects. Comes with mixing cups here, pour cups, and cleaning brushes. And actually, earplugs. I hope this thing ain't that loud. I'm making this to begin with so you can see what came in the box. Got my stain in here. See how it goes. It's pretty slick. Can you see that? It throws some paint now. It throws some paint, no doubt. I'm liking it.